Special greetings, my dear students. Uh, Almost our semester portion is over because we are having up to only sixth chapter, my dear students. So now in this class, once again we will revise a sixth chapter. Okay. Animating text and object. Animating means what? Moving a object and text. Okay. Means animating means moving a object. So first applying animation effect. If you want to apply animation effect, open PowerPoint, in menu bar there is animation tab. Okay. Now you can apply the animation effect to the text also, object also. For example, here computer. Okay. Now computer is here. This is a text. Okay. Now just to select the text, and if you are clicking on the particular animation effect, that animation is applying in your text, you can able to see. Okay. So many effects are there. Which one you need, we can apply. Okay. This is your practical. Okay. Now if I want to apply animation effect on the particular object, go to the menu, select the object. That object can be a picture or shapes or clip art or anything. Last class I explained the clip art. Now I will going to explain with the shapes. So I am going to select this shape, click it, animation effect. Now can you able to see? So this is the animation effect. Now students, if you are coming to the animation effect, there are mainly four types. Entrance, while entering the object or text. Exit, while moving time. Emphasize, in middle. After motion path, movement of the object. Okay. So here you can able to see the animation panel. Just when you click, here add animation. So in this place we can able to see, okay, exit, more effect, more emphasize effect, and here is the starting of the slide. So motion path. Now I am going to select motion path. Okay. So in motion path there are so many styles are there. Diagonal also, down also. I think we can select left. Student, this all animation we have to do in a practical. Okay. Now just one click, line came. Just I am increasing line. When I moved my mouse cursor to this particular area, can you able to see the changes of my mouse cursor? Now I am leaving. So just slideshow. See what is happening. Now what animation effect we applied, it is happening again. So this is the animation effect. Okay. After this, adding transition. Students, up to now we seen how we are applying animation effect to the text and object. If you want to apply the animation effect for the particular slide, students, be clear in this. If you are applying some effect on text or object, is called animation. But same way, if you are applying any effect on the slide, is called transition. Okay. If you want to apply such type of effect, first in the left side pan you can select the slide. After go to the design view, transition. So you can able to see. When I am clicking, you can able to see the animation. So second slide now. Okay, which effect you are feeling, you can give. Now F5. This is the first slide. Now when I am going to second slide, what effect we given, we can able to see. Okay. So this is a transition effect. After transition effect, what are things are the inserting sounds, sound clip. After inserting your own sound, inserting video clip. How we will go to the insert audio, so you can able to see record sound. If you want record sound, if I start to click here, it will record. After recording, we can able to insert. Else you can able to see here audio from file. So when I click, it is opening a files and folder. Now it is loading. Now I can select the audio file where it is stored. Actually, my computer there is no any audio file. If it is stored, you can use. If you want to insert a video from file, you can select this. Now it is opening. You can insert videos from your file. See, I selected, I inserted. Actually, some problem in my operating system, because due to that problem it is not installing. It is not inserting video file. Okay, but maximum it will be installed. I have to reinstall my operating system. Due to that particular reason, it is not installing. Okay, sorry, it is not inserting a video clip. Okay, now after action button, simple action button, in an insert tab, shapes are there. When you click the shape drop down arrow, you can see, student, here is so many action buttons are there. Each button has some particular. This is for last slide. So I am going to insert another slide. Okay, now 4 slides are there. Okay, I am typing it. This is the last slide. Now say I am going to view full screen F5. Now when I am clicking here, how many slides are there? I think 4 or 5 slides are there. When I click this, it will go to the last slide. See, this is the last slide. So action button link in a particular file itself, okay, for particular action. After action button, importing data from a word. Okay, importing data from a word. Students, yesterday I given, this is your homework. Okay, now I will show you how to import data from a word. Actually, if you want to import data from a word, whatever text you type in MS Word, automatically it will be inserted in a PowerPoint. Okay, it will be inserted in a PowerPoint. Now we will see how. Here you can be able to see insert outline dialog box will appear, means in a home tab select slides from outline option. After insert outline, now see here. You can able to see slides from outline. When I click this, now I have to select a MS Word document which I saved already. Okay, which I saved already. So I am searching here any Word document. See, now this is the Word document, but students, before inserting into outline, we have to make some changes in MS Word. We have to make that word into a outline view format. You can able to see they given here. Okay, so here we have to change the style. In a printout layer, we have to change into outline view style. Okay, whenever we are opening a MS Word document, while printing time, you can able to see that outline view. That is your practical, students. So here, just select any file. and insert. Okay, so now what will happen in that particular file? That particular MS Word will be inserted. You can able to see only the headings. Okay, in outline view it will maximum it will insert only the headings. After this, over, our portion is over now. Okay students, now only question answer 1 mark exercises, after a little bit revision is pending. So upcoming classes I will upload this all content. Okay, thanks for watching my dear students. Stay safe and be healthy. Thank you.